Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to prepare simple and flavorful egg curry recipe. This egg curry recipe with black masala is the regional Maharashtrian specialty that gets its deep dark color and smoky flavor from roasting whole spices, onions and dry coconut until they are very dark brown. This rich aromatic egg curry is classic Maharashtrian style dish made by roasting coconut and spices to create deep dark flavorful gravy masala. It is best made by grinding burnt onions, roasted dry coconut, spices and ginger garlic paste into smooth paste. This dish features fried boiled egg simmered in this thick savory curry. Ingredients needed for this egg curry recipe are 4 hard-boiled eggs. Also, in ingredients we need dry coconut, roasted until dark brown, ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, black pepper. For tempering we need 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, red chili powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder and salt for taste. First step is to roast the masala for black color. To get the black gravy, roast the onions and dry coconut, ginger garlic paste on open flame or in the pan until they are deeply brown and burnt. Then grind into the paste. First step is to grind the dry spices first. Place the roasted whole spices, peppercorns, cinnamons, cumins into grinder first. Pulse them into coarse powder. Then add burnt onions, roasted coconut powder, ginger and garlic to the grinder jar with spice powder. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to help the blades move. Blend into the mixture in thick, fine and completely smooth paste. Before preparing all ingredients, boil 4 eggs with 8 to 10 minutes until hard boiled. Peel and prick them with a fork. Cut boiled eggs into 2 pieces with knife or using thread. Using thread specifically thin sieving thread often produce professional cut because it doesn't compress the egg like a blade does. Next step is to prepare the temperings. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil or desi ghee in the pan or kadai. Add ginger garlic paste and stir in and cook for about 2 minutes until the raw smell disappears. Add red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and salt for taste. At this stage, add the ground paste made in the grinder with the help of burnt onions, roasted coconut and ginger garlic made in grinder jar. Mix with all ingredients and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. It should release oil from the sides, which indicates it was roasted perfectly and cook well. Soak this black masala paste on low-medium heat until the oil begins to separate from the sides. Once the oil separates, you can add at this stage boiled eggs. Adding boiled eggs pieces at this stage, it allows the black masala paste to seep directly into the yolk, making curry much richer and creamier. Slide the cut pieces of boiled eggs in the pan on yolk side up. Instead of stirring continuously, gently spoon the hot masala gravy over the top of the eggs. Cover and simmer on low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. This heats the eggs through and let the spices bond with yolk without overcooking them. To cut the clean slice into 2 pieces of boiled egg, you can use stainless steel knife, sharp knife, or by using thread also. You can cut it in professional style. This boiled egg curry recipe is traditionally served with jawar or bajra flatbread, roti, or also with steamed rice and simple rice also. Eating black masala egg curry recipe isn't just about deep smoky flavor. It's a nutritionally dense meal that combines high quality of protein with medical benefits of traditional Indian spices. Each egg provides about 6 to 7 grams of complete proteins. It is a source of vitamin B12 for energy, vitamin D for bone health. Serve this egg curry recipe in a bowl, shallow serving bowl. Carefully place the egg yolk side up so they don't get submerged and lost in the dark sauce. Sprinkle finely chopped fresh green coriander leaves. Serve with few wedges of lime on the side. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Give this video a like, turn on notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.